Hello there, folks. This is Joe Wazoo here. Hey, I got a quick video today. I'm taking my training kits from the virtual world. I'm going to head back on the road next week and do it in front of people. So I got everything connected here to a router with a Wi-Fi access that's set up to do everything as DHCP clients. So that means I have no idea what the IP addresses are out in the screens. Now I do have a function, get net IP, I can put on their screens, but from where I'm sitting, I can't really tell. So check this out. I found this tool, actually a colleague of mine, one of my distributor friends, recommended I use this software tool called Angry IP Scanner. So I downloaded this tool, free download, less expensive download. And if I go ahead and open it up, I'm going to go ahead and search on a network here. Now, this is the network here that I'm connected to. By the way, let me go here to my DOS prompt. I like to prove everything. If I do an IP config on my DOS, let me make this a little bigger. You can see I'm not really using the wireless, or maybe I am. Who knows? But anyway, the wired I'm connected here, and I actually am connected here as well. But both are connected to some router. And notice 192.168.1 dot something here is what I've got. So that's the local IP address of my computer in both options. And what I want to do is I want to search for my screens out there. Now, I'm going to go to Tools here in this and go to Preferences. I want you to notice something. On my RedLion HMIs, I'm using port 80 is usually default, and port 789 is the download default. Well, since I've got a number of these here for classes, I'm actually got ports 91 through 105 possibly in use, ports 789 up to 805 in use, and port 80 on there. So I'm going to go ahead and click the OK button and go ahead and assign this thing to go out and search the network. Let's see if it finds anything. Let's find out what happens here. Yeah, look at there, team. Look at that. So if you look, it came back, and I think it's just about done here, but it found all of what I think are the HMIs that are locally here connected, and it shows me here what port numbers are open. So for instance, this one right here, 192.168.1.50, you can see I've got 91 and 791. Well, I'm using port 91 for the web page, port 791 to download. So if I go to some browser, for instance, and let's go over here and put in, what did I say that number was? 192.168.1. Hold on, let me go back here and look. I already forgot. I should have wrote it down. Number 150, 150.91. Okay, so I'll go back to here. And I'll put right here number 150 colon 91. Boom, boom. Look, there's one of my class screens that's locally. So awesome. I'm just pointing out a way to use Angry IP software to go out and find your stuff that's out there in the network. So you can see it came back with a few more, but pretty splendid, nice little app that I'm using. Just thought I'd show it off to you. Angry IP Scanner. You can find it at angryip.org. Download it today, folks. I don't think you can go wrong. Free, less expensive download right there. Hey, have yourself a great day. See you later.